Hello and welcome to your 17th Minecraft modding tutorial for Minecraft 1.2.5. This is Sagai1121 and let's go ahead and get started. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm back from my little week of not being able to make any videos. Sorry about that, it couldn't be helped. But I'm back for now and my voice sounds really weird today. Yeah, I've got like mucus in my throat right now or something. So if I sound a bit strange, that's why. Anyway, so what I'm going to talk to you guys about today is how to reobfuscate your mod, which is how you would get it prepared for final release. So it's actually rather simple. Now, obviously, since I'm using a Mac, I'm going to go through the Mac process. But you could go through Windows, and basically so on my Mac, I'm going to be using Terminal to run these .sh scripts. If you're running Windows, just run the same one except the .bat script. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to switch over to Terminal here, and the first command I want to enter, you don't have to do terminal anything. If you're on Windows, you just need to open up your MCP folder. But the first thing I want to do is go cd, and then, oops, let me switch over, and then drag in your MCP folder. So basically you're telling it, look in this folder for all the commands. Now what you want to do is you want to go and you want to run the recompile.sh, and hopefully we don't get any errors here. It takes a little while. Excuse me. Cannot find server sources. Okay. Also, some of you have been sending me stuff with errors that's like cannot find server sources or cannot find server MD5s. That's because when we originally decompiled, we didn't use the server sources because we're not working on a multiplayer mod right now. I will cover that later. But that's why you're getting those errors. So it's all recompiled now. It recompiled just fine. And now we want to run this reobfuscate. So since I'm on a Mac, I'm going to be using the .sh. If you're on Windows, use the .bat. And let's run this. And it takes a little while here. And it will start a few other programs. Don't worry about that. That's how it's reobfuscating. Now, you'll see this new class found, and then all of these new classes, and then outputted net.minecraft.sourcer/not dot. Anyway, what this is saying is it's all reobfuscated correctly, and it's in your reobf Minecraft. And here's your classes. So now what you want to do is you're going to want to, I actually forget, let me load up Eclipse. Excuse me. Okay. So let me load up Eclipse. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that all of the textures we have are going to be with the mod. Okay, so I'm just going to copy, not these textures using Command C on a Mac, Control C on Windows, and then I'm just going to switch over to Finder. By the way, if you don't know, on a Mac you can hit Command Tab and then hit Tab to switch through all of your currently open programs. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to copy these textures into the Reobf Minecraft folder. There they are. And now what I want to do is I'm going to right click and then compress. And what this does is it turns it into a .zip. You can on Windows, I forget the exact process if you're going on Windows, but basically just compress it into a .zip folder. Then we're going to name this. So I'm going to name this tutorial mod.zip. And there you go. This is ready for final release. So if I copy this, and then I go into my library application support, let me switch my Minecraft folders. Pay no attention to the Minecraft hacks. That's for if I want to load up a single player world and find like easy diamonds or something. But I don't use the hacked client, so. And if I just copy this into this mods folder, just as the .zip, and then I run Minecraft, then we should. I've been playing around with Explosives Plus and all that. Why am I in third person? Whoop. I'm a cow. Okay. I don't know. But you'll see here. Oh. Right. This is a problem. This is a problem because I have... darn. Let's go ahead. See, the problem here is that I have the mod where I got the textures from installed. So I'm going to create new world, survival new world, and let's just create our elven spear. Okay, so while that's loading, and I'm going to talk to you guys about a few things. First of which is that the reason I did the reobfuscating tutorial now is that I sort of consider this to be like, because I've done enough stuff, this is sort of the end of the basic for modding. This is, sorry about the lack of sound, by the way. What's our crafting recipe? Oh God, this did not go as I expected it to. Tutorial item. Oh. Okay, lots of dirt. So this is sort of the end of the beginner's stuff, which is why I'm covering reobfuscating now. Then with the next videos, I'm going to cover more advanced topics like generation of flowers and trees, and this is weird because it didn't work. That's not good at all. Okay, let me see why this didn't work. And that is because do I need to decompress? Oh yeah, yep. Yeah. So if okay, you don't put the .zip in. You put in the folder version. So now, oh, it's going to crash. Yep. Okay. Whatever. That crashed because we're using the same IDs as another mod in there. I wasn't very well prepared for this, obviously. But anyway, that's how you would reobfuscate your mod for release. And that is basically the end of the set of beginners tutorials for modding. So I can start going into some more advanced stuff with you guys now that you know the basics. And also, I will have today, tomorrow, and the next day to make tutorials and do tech support and all that stuff. But then I'll have a period of about 2 to 3 weeks where I won't be able to get any tutorials out. So bear with me, please. That's the last time, hopefully, this year that I'll have to do that. I should be able to get out occasional tech support, but that's not a guarantee. So sorry about that. Bear with me, please. But I can't really help that. So anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know. And final thing, I want you guys' opinion on me starting possibly a new series where we basically all make a mod together. So the first episode, I'll just set up our MCP and everything. And then for however long, I would take suggestions from you guys and just put stuff in the mod. So each episode, I would add one or a couple things into the mod or put in some code, change some code, etc. And so that would give both me and you guys some experience. Who knows, you guys might get an idea for a mod. You guys would see basically the modding process if you all haven't actually sat down and made a mod yet. So let me know what you guys think about that. And if I get a lot of support for it, then I'll go ahead and start it maybe in the next couple days and maybe 3 weeks from now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.